This is the industrial maintenance program for the juniors and seniors at DeSoto County Career Technical Center. I'm Mr. Wells, the instructor here. Basically, the junior year will start out doing a lot of different things. They'll start out with safety. We'll get them very well diversed in safety to where when they get out in the real workforce that they'll be ready for a job. OSHA training, which they'll actually be OSHA certified, and then they'll get into carpentry. The carpentry skills will start out with small projects, building sawhorses and tables and stuff like that. And we'll get into building some actually wood frame buildings and also some metal exterior buildings at the same time. Then when we're done with that, we'll go into some basic electric, which will do some residential wiring. Then we'll get into the plumbing and pipe fitting, which they'll learn all different aspects of the plumbing and pipe fitting. We'll go into motor controls. We'll get pretty extensive into that. We'll go into different types of machine operations. When we get through with that, we'll go into hydraulics and pneumatics, and then we end up with HVAC at the end of the senior year.
I'm Michael Carver. I chose the program because I really didn't know what I wanted to do. And it offers a wide variety of things from carpentry to welding to pipe fitting. We're doing welding now. We're doing MIG and stick, and we're moving on to motor controls. And I like welding. I'm not too good at it yet, but I'm gonna get there.
We get into some power systems, different things that they'll experience in the industry trying to get them ready for the workforce. We have a CNC plasma can that they'll do quite a bit of work on. And we also have a robotic welder over on the other side here that will get them comfortable with the programming on where they can move the X and Y coordinates and stuff to where if they would end up in industry somewhere that maybe they'll have a leg up because they can have that on their resume. Career opportunities in this program's endless. It's kind of like the sky's the limit. Where do you want to go? Do you want to go into college or higher education, or are you going to go out and try to find a job in a local factory here?
I'd really recommend this program. Great teacher. It's a great place out here.
Okay, my name is Larry Moore. I'm the masonry instructor. I've been here for approximately 10 years. In the program, the juniors, when they come in, they learn basics about masonry, learn basics about bricklaying, about cutting bricks, about tile work, about stone work, and also community service work.
I'm John Williams. I'm a student in the masonry program at DeSoto County Teaching State. We do a little bit of everything here from block laying, tile, stone, brick. We get our 10-hour OSHA certification in general industry. We get forklift training. Just a lot of fun.
When they become seniors, we use the house back here that represents outside work. So we take the house and build it as a residential, commercial, or industrial building. And we do community service work. Right now, we've got an American Legion job to do with commemorative names on brick, and we should spend about 5 weeks down there, which is a very good opportunity for the students. We also do a lot of contest work, which we've got a new contest added this year, which is in Cincinnati, and hopefully that's going to present job opportunities for the students. And we also have another contest coming up in the spring, which is called the Ohio High School Masonry Contest. And so far, that has been going on for 7 years, and so far we have had a placement in it for every year, which represents this school and the program very well. At the end of April, we have the Skills USA Contest, which is the best out of each program throughout the state of Ohio. And out of the program here, we've been to the Nationals once. We also have been represented very well there in the top 5 placements for the last 4 or 5 years. So the programs came a long way, job opportunities have opened up, and we now have companies contacting us for placements.
Hi everybody, my name is Mark Waters. I'm the auto body instructor at Soda Tech. I am also a graduate of 1980. So I love the school. I love doing this for a living. This is a great career for people that are car enthusiasts. If you enroll in this program, you will have lots of time to learn how to properly fix vehicles. We have to make them meet industry standards. So there is a lot of book work that we have to do. There is a lot of shop time that we have to do. It takes dedicated people to do this program.
My name is Brandon Charles. I took auto body because I figured that a career in painting cars would be a fun career to pursue. In the lab, we do a lot of welding, priming, blocking, sanding, and any other preparation the car needs to be ready to paint. I think other students would like this program because we do a lot of hands-on work.
I'm Gary Hall. I'm the auto tech instructor at the Career Center, and this is my lab. What we do here is repair and learn the operation of the automobile. We take every aspect, all the way from the alignment, front end alignment, we go into engines, what makes them run, get into computer controls, and we're into the brake system, the ABS. There's hardly anything we can't do here in this lab. We have our own pipe bending equipment, same thing that the muffle shop will use. My guys are juniors today. Some of them are learning to MIG weld exhaust systems, bend pipe, and behind me I've got some guys that are first time they've dealt with the alignment system, so they're practicing. And I got another group of guys today that are on our new tire changer that we have, sophisticated piece of equipment, state of the art, and that's what they're doing today.
My name is Rem Tovine, and I chose Auto Tech because I like to work on cars, and I think other kids would like this because you get a good knowledge on cars, and you'll be able to work on your own car and not have to pay a shop.
I'm John Reedy. This is the Carpentry Lab. Here in the Carpentry Lab, we learn construction trades. What we do here is we start at the basics, work your way up. We do everything from small projects. We build a house out back. We start with all these trainers in the background. We build all this stuff as a way of learning to build residential properties, residential homes. When you get through all this stuff, you should be 2 years ahead. You're going to graduate from high school with a 2-year head start doing construction trade.
Hi, my name is Robert Stacy. I'm in the senior carpentry program, and I chose carpentry because I helped my uncle put an addition on his house, and I felt that I liked it and that I needed further skills. I would recommend going into carpentry because everybody lives in a house, and save money and stuff if you can do it yourself.
And by the time you get through this whole program, you've had a chance to get your hands on everything from the basics to complete residential construction.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Bell. So this program is the care and guidance of children, and what we do is we run a preschool for 3, 4, and 5-year-olds, and that's very important. The Chinese say that when a child is born, they are like a blank piece of paper, and we write everything on them. So we're helping them to grow to be adults, to be good adults. And so we teach them language, math, and science every day, and just tell them how to line up and how to be good citizens.
Hi, my name is Katrisa. I originally chose the child care program because I thought it'd be the easiest program ever. Turns out it's not as easy as you think. I mean, it is fun and you get to play with children every day, but it's a lot of responsibility to be able to take care of the kids. As a senior, we take them out for recess, we feed them lunch, we let them take nap time. Every Friday when we don't have the kids, we do a packet learning about what you do with children.
Also, once when you graduate, you can work in any daycare. You can start your own preschool in your house by going through Human Resources downtown. You can work as an aide at school, or any number of those things.
I think that people would love to do this program because, like, if you love working with children, it's the best one ever.
Hi, my name is Mrs. Kamines. I'm with the cosmetology program. Students run a licensed cosmetology lab working on clients and mannequins in an active salon setting. Students master the basics of cosmetology from hair cutting to the managing of a salon.
Hi, I'm Jessica Maynard. I'm a student here at Auto Tech in cosmetology. I chose cosmetology because I wanted to extend my high school education outside of the average teenager, to gain a skill that I can use later in life, and to have a well-paying job, but most importantly, I love socializing and making people feel better about the way they look. I believe other students would enjoy this program because of the close bonds you form with your other classmates and the interactions with your clients. Communication skills, anatomy, chemistry, and hairstyles we learn, and then we also learn different techniques. We also have co-curricular activities such as Skills USA.
When the course is complete, the students take the state board exam resulting in a hair design license, so they will be able to have a job in a hair salon.
Welcome to the Criminal Justice Program. My name is Mr. Cox. Criminal Justice is a 2-year program. Your first year, you're going to learn the basic aspects
of the criminal justice systems and the roles and different careers involved in it. You're going to learn a little bit about private security, corrections. The main content's going to be law enforcement. You're going to learn the structure of the courts. You're also going to have to get prepared if you go into law enforcement to be physically fit. So each day will consist of some type of physical training. Your senior year, you're going to learn more forensics. You're going to process the crime scenes, do crime scene investigations. You guys would know that by watching CSI.
Hi, I'm Amber, and I'm a senior in the Criminal Justice Program at Scioto County Career Technical Center. A typical day at this school would be, first you would go to your classroom. The work consists of fingerprinting, crime scene investigation, foot patrol, and a whole lot more.
Some students come out here and they take just the 2 years of high school. They go on and get a job in private security. They'll go into corrections, do something like that. We have a lot that use the training here to get into the military, qualify for military police. We have others that come back, spend about 6 to 8 months after high school, and they go through a police academy, which is right here on campus.
Hi, I'm Forlin Corona, and I'm a senior here in the Criminal Justice Program at Scioto County Career Technical Center. To continue with what Amber was saying, we will split up into 2 squads. One squad will go out and work security for the school, and the other squad will be doing physical conditioning.
Some students, they use this training and they get college credits. So they're going to go on and advance their career in a criminal justice degree, public safety degree. So whatever aspect of the criminal justice system you want to go into, this is a good start. So y'all need to come out, visit our program, and see if it's something that you would like to do.
My name is Miss McCrae, and I'm the teacher of the Culinary Arts program here at the Scioto County Career and Technical Center. It's a 2-year program where we will learn the fundamentals of cooking and be prepared for a career in the front of the house, either serving the guests or working with the guests, or in the back of the house, preparing the food and getting it ready for service.
Hello, my name is Jacob Lee, and I'm a student here in this culinary program here at Scioto Tech. In my class, we learn the fundamentals and the skills to become a successful chef in the culinary arts. For example, we learn sanitation, safety, preparation, and service skills.
We have our classroom setting, our kitchen setting, and we are working on designing a restaurant. We will do on-site catering and also participate in a wide variety of field trips to get students engaged in multiple different types of food service establishments. We will encourage and facilitate job placement to continue learning off-site, to continue the students learning in different settings.
One of the great things about this class, and the reason why you should pick this class, is because it'll prepare you to be a successful chef or any type of worker in the service food industry, and you get to cook a lot of fun things and eat what you cook.
I'm Mrs. Gregory, and this is the Dental Assisting Program. Dental Assisting is a 2-year program. During the junior year, the students learn dental terminology. They learn to do basic restorations. Then during the senior year, they gear towards more of the dental specialties, such as oral surgery. They have to learn all the instruments that go along with extracting teeth. And orthodontics, they learn to place the brackets and the arch wires, and they make retainers. And they also do dental office procedures.
Hi, my name is Lindsay Crow, and I'm a student here at Scioto County Career Technical Center, and I'm taking dental. Right now we are reviewing the dental specialties, root canals, extractions, and braces.
We cover dental radiography. This is Dexter, one of our patients that we use when they're learning to take x-rays. At the end of their senior year, they can go out and work as dental assistants, or they can go on to college to become a dental hygienist or a dentist. And at the end of their senior year, they also have the opportunity to become certified dental assistants in Ohio. So this is an excellent program for any student that's interested in any of the dental fields.
I think that this program is a good foundation for anyone who wants to have a future in dental.
All right, my name is Stuart Spittle. I'm the electrical trades instructor. I'm just really excited about the opportunity that these young people have, because in today's society, we are coming up with a very shortage of electricians. And matter of fact, the opportunity to them is really great to move up the ladder. And we are connected with the NCCER, which is the National Center for Construction Education and Research. Matter of fact, they will be able to get their card through them, and no matter where they move in the country, they will be able to present that card, and they will not have to go through the training again.
My name is Andrew Otworth. I'm in the electricity program at the Career Technical Center. I like this program because it gives you a lot of good job opportunities, and it's a very broad field, and you can pretty much go any direction that you want to. You can work like in the marine field, or you can do like industrial stuff, or you can do just residential, or if you like cars, you can work on cars. And it's just a really broad field that you can pretty much take in any direction.
They get the level 1 of a 4-year apprenticeship, and that's another thing that's exciting. They have the opportunity to go with many different companies, whether it's residential, commercial, or industrial. They can get into motor controls, they can get into commercial wiring, or into residential wiring, whichever they like. They have the opportunity to go non-union or go union.
There's a lot of job opportunities, and electricity is always being used, and they're always going to need people to install it and manage it and work on it when it's broken.
This is just a career field that is wide open, and for the ladies, it's really a good opportunity for them to really advance in this field, because this field has wide open to them.
Well, my name is Mrs. Veach, and I teach the Engineering and Science program here at the Sauter County Career Technical Center. Students learn how to apply the design process and use alternative energy sources, and they also learn how to work in a team atmosphere. I believe that's one of the biggest assets in the engineering field, is learning how to work in a team atmosphere. Students also learn the CAD system, computer-aided drafting, and they learn how to use it as a tool in their projects. They use it as a communication tool to sketch up their ideas and communicate with others in their team and in the community.
My name is Alex Hull, and I joined the engineering group here at the SCCTC to get a better leadership and a better grasp on what engineering actually is. For instance, I wanted to learn a little